There's a very common question among parents कि are there medicines for autism? क्या बच्चे को दवाई देके हम ऑटिज्म से बाहर निकाल सकते हैं? So, ऑटिज्म इज अ डेवलपमेंटल डिसऑर्डर, जिसका मतलब है कि जिस तरह से बच्चे का एक डेवलपमेंट होना चाहिए उसमें कुछ डेविएशंस आ गए हैं जिसके वजह से ऑटिज्म ये तकलीफ हुई है। इसके लिए देयर इज नो मेडिकेशन, देयर इज नो मेडिकेशन दैट कैन क्योर ऑटिज्म। इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल दैट मैंने एक दवाई दी, जैसे क्रोसिन दे दिया जिससे फीवर चला गया, वैसे मैंने एक गोली दे दिया और ऑटिज्म चला गया। ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा। तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? आर देयर बट देयर आर स्टिल मेडिसिन्स व्हिच वी गिव, राइट? आई एम आल्सो पीडियाट्रिक न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट, आई आल्सो गिव मेडिकेशन समटाइम्स। सो you definitely cannot cure the core problem of autism, but because of the disorder or because of the spectrum, you have multiple other comorbidities in that child. The child can show a lot of aggression, the child can have depression, the child can have obsessive compulsive disorder, the child can have hyperactivity associated, the child can have multiple other issues, sleep issues. These issues are associated with autism spectrum disorders. You cannot treat the core problem of autism, but these problems can be reduced by giving medication. So for example, if the child is very aggressive, having a lot of aggressive behavior, hitting others, hitting self, having a lot of head hitting, head banging, you can give some medication to reduce the behaviors. If the child is having a lot of sleep issues, he doesn't sleep at night, he sleeps in the afternoon and whole night he's awake, and it's actually creating issues in his routine learning, you can actually give medication to improvise his sleep pattern. Suppose the child is very hyperactive, he's not able to sit at one place, he's running around, because of that he's not able to learn new things, you can give medications for hyperactivity. But there are definitely no medicines to cure autism. These medicines can help in these problems. Once these problems get reduced, you need to ideally stop the medications by tapering them. But that can be possible, that is possible only and only if you continue the management with the therapy, so that therapy picks up and the medicines can be tapered and stopped. Thank you.